Why does success seem easy for some and impossible for others? No matter your current position in life, you've arrived here because you've been tirelessly striving for success. Yet, despite your efforts, that big breakthrough feels just out of reach. It's frustrating, isn't it, to see others glide through to success with what seems like minimal effort, while you're left questioning your methods, wrestling with discipline, and feeling like you're facing an uphill battle. Here's a little secret that might change your perspective. Success is not solely about pushing harder, it's about pushing smarter. It's about discovering and aligning with your innate strengths. Many believe that success is synonymous with discipline. Keep pushing no matter what, they say. Do what you hate as if you love it. Yes, discipline plays a crucial role, but it's not the whole story. Our brains are hardwired to resist continuous struggle because, historically, our survival depended on conserving energy. That means when we force ourselves into actions that feel unnatural, we burn out quickly. This is where many get trapped, assuming the path to success is paved with endless hardship. But what if I told you there's a different way? Instead of constantly battling against your nature, what if you could harness it? Consider this. Everyone has unique natural talents that, when leveraged, can propel them towards success with astonishing ease. Think about an artist whose brushstrokes seem to flow spontaneously, or a charismatic speaker who holds an audience in the palm of their hand without apparent effort, or a business visionary who spots opportunities where others see none. These individuals aren't just lucky, they're aligned with their intrinsic strengths. Take Elon Musk, for instance. His success isn't just due to hard work. His natural curiosity about technology and innovation drives him. Serena Williams? It's her fierce competitiveness that sets her apart. And Gary Vaynerchuk? He's a natural storyteller, which makes him a marketing genius. I learned this lesson personally when I mistakenly took a sales job that drained me daily. I thought resilience was about making those difficult calls until they felt natural. But they never did. The top performers weren't just making calls. They thrived on the competition and social engagement that I dreaded. Once I shifted to a role that matched my analytical skills and love for problem solving, my career transformed. Suddenly, I was not just coping, I was excelling. So, what does this mean for you? Step 1. Identify your natural inclinations. What activities make you lose track of time? What tasks do others find challenging that you do with ease? Step 2. Find ways to apply these inclinations productively. Can you turn them into a career, a side project, or a daily practice? Step 3. Redirect your energy away from paths that drain you. Discipline should amplify your strengths, not fight against them. Remember, school may have required us to pass every subject, but life asks us to excel only in the tests we choose. Design your life around your strengths, and watch discipline become a natural byproduct of doing what you love. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What is something you've always been naturally good at? Share in the comments below, and if you found this perspective enlightening, don't forget to subscribe for more insights. We're just getting started on this journey of working smarter, not harder.